Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all see the new nails? Do y'all see the new nails? Flashy, flashy. Yes, look at that. Okay, let me be still. So the nails are dead, you guys. They are very flashy, very blue. So y'all already know what color thing we are working on now, right? We working on blue, blue, blue. I think I have 4 colors left after blue, which would be gray, gray, brown, and red. Oh, only 3. So here is where I'm at with this color theme. I'm so close in my pregnancy, actually 32 weeks as of today. I don't know how long I'll be able to hold up and manage to continue to film for you guys. I'm doing my best. I've been slacking. Y'all don't notice this, but I've been slacking on making sure that I am filming my content so that way you guys could have videos. Because where I'm at today on date wise, it's July. By the time you guys see this, it'll probably be like mid-August. But it's July 28th for today for me. And I was supposed to be done with all of my color themes if I would have stayed strict to my schedule of filming, but I didn't. So being that I still have three themes to do, and I haven't pre-filmed for those yet, as of right now today. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, I did it. But I'm in the brain. I can't even get my story out. But this is where I'm thinking. I think this might be the last color theme where I do 5 looks. Because I really like blue. And I was like, I'm not going to cut down blue. And I honestly want to do an extra look or 2 for blue. I don't know if I'm going to. We'll see how I feel and everything. But as for the last 3 colors, I think I'm only going to commit to 4 looks for those colors, because for one, I don't really too much care for those colors, and I've been struggling on finding cute outfits for those colors. And then makeup wise for those color theme, it's just like it's not really a lot of options for gray or either brown or even, you know, red. So I don't know, I'm just putting it in the air. If y'all only see 4 videos for those color themes, then you know why. But I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna go with the flow and all the other stuff. So anywho, I'm just running my mouth. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. We are on blue. Let me get back in focus. I'm just running my mouth. Y'all make sure y'all watch my vlogs, because I have a lot of behind the scenes and more understanding in what I'm doing behind the scenes. So make sure you guys watch the vlogs as well. So today I'm doing a blue look, obviously. Here is my blue dress. I had this on earlier because I went to the doctor's, but this is just a basic little blue dress. It's cute, it's comfy. So am I going to be matchy with this? Probably not. And I do have 2 palettes in front of me. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use though, and I think I'm going to go in with this palette. This is the Midnight palette by Beauty Bay, and I feel like it's presentable to use today. I got my beautiful blues, and I also got purple, so I'll probably do purple incorporated in this look and not just do an all blue look, because I feel like I'm going to do that already a lot this week, just focusing on blue so much. So I do want to try my best to add other colors to incorporate with blue, because blue is such a beautiful color and so many other colors can go with blue. So I don't want to make this boring like I did for purple. I think that's my least week that I regret. I'm like, why did you not add more colors with purple? Like, you literally did like all purple looks for 7 days too. So I'm gonna try my best not to do that this time around. So eyes already prepped. My my under eyebrow powder is already on, which is Ulta Beauty. Yes, okay. So let's zoom in, get up close and personal with this face. Like I said, I want to incorporate purple into my look, so let's go ahead and do that. I want to go in with a purple that I haven't tried in this palette. I was going to lean towards this one, but I used this one before because I see the brush in print. So I'm going to move on to try this purple. It's a really deep purple. I think it's going to go with this look. So let's pop that right in. Holy guacamole, this is really dark. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to put this color right in my crease. And I'm only patting this, so I'm not going to blend this out. Alright, so to help buff and blend this out, I am gonna go for, let's go in with this shade right here. Let's see if it'll make a difference or not, if it's too light. I think it's gonna take me too long to blend it out using the shade. I feel like it will work, but look, I got kids crying, so we gotta go quickly with this. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. So your girl trying to eat. I'm hungry. I did not eat before sitting down and filming this video, so which was my fault. So that's not working out either. Okay, I'm gonna mix the two shades that I just pointed at. I'm gonna mix them together to create another shade of purple. I felt like that dark purple was too dark and this light one is too light to blend it out, but combine is going to work. And I'm still using more of that lighter purple though, the first purple that I pointed to. I knew it was going to blend it out. I just knew it was just going to take some time. I'm just being impatient, but I guess patient is the key when blending. So let's just focus on that, because this is looking really nice now. So I'm going to continue blending this. Alright, so now that I have that nicely blended, I am going to go back in with that deep purple just to reapply it, because of course with blending other shades, it do kind of sort of like wash away. So I do want to bring that right back really quickly back into the look. And this is such a deep purple already. I don't need to do this, but I just feel a little extra. So I'm going to take this black that's in here. I think this is a black, right? Yeah, okay, so that's a random black in this palette. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that. And I'm going to put this more towards the outer only. I really want, when I cut my crease, I really want it to be like really defined and noticeable. So I'm just gonna blend that black right into this purple. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. It looks a little bit more deeper, but I'm just trying to make my crease look more defined. And I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple one more time and just make sure that I blend the black out so it won't look harsh. Boom. So I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and then be right back. Y'all see this creation? Do y'all see this creation? Okay, so off camera, obviously, while I was cutting my crease, I was like, okay, what are we gonna do? I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I said, let's play on this eye and see what we're gonna do, so that way I'm more prepared to show you guys what I'm gonna do. So I thought about just doing like a blue look, but I don't know, for some reason the shade of blue, I don't like it on me when it's matte. And what I mean by that is like it's such a dark color, and I think that's why I don't tend to do a lot of blue, like dark blue looks, because it's such a dark color, like semi, you know, black. So by me just doing the blue, I was like, okay, it looks cool, it looks all right, but it was coming off boring. So I was like, ooh, let's add some glitter. So boom, I added some glitter and I really like how this turned out. I added a splash of teal blue in my inner and then closed it off with that purple, and I am here for this look. So let me show you exactly what I did. Now that I told you guys, let me show y'all what I did. So let me make sure that my crease is fully smooth and blended out. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that Midnight palette, and then I'm going to go for this blue. This is what I put on my lid. Then for my inner part, I believe I went in with this shade right here. I'm going to pop that in my inner tear duct. I'm taking that matte blue and I'm just going to place that all over my lid. And I'm going to leave the remaining inner part out so that I can pop that, that metallic shade in there. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that dark purple. I'm just going to put that right in the outer part. Make sure that it's blend. And you got to do the step first before adding that glitter, otherwise it's not going to go as well. So Now I'm gonna go in with that light metallic shade, and I'm just gonna pop that right in my inner. So this is what it looks like without the glitter. Okay, and I want to do my wing really quick off camera because I gotta get super close and you guys won't see what I'm doing because I'm blind when it comes to my liner. So I'm gonna do my liner real quick and then I'm gonna show you guys the glitter. All right, now for the glitter part, so I have two glitters that I'm using. So this one is by GLOWUP Academy. It's a blue chunky glitter, and then this one I don't know where I got this from. I think this is my own little creation. Got this like from the craft store, and it's just a more finer glitter compared to the chunky. So I'm going to be mixing both of them to give me more of that pizzazz glitter look. So I'm going to go in with my glitter glue, and I'm going to place a little at a time because this glue does get tacky really fast. I'm going to take that and I'm going to take like a little silicone applicator. I'm going to use the fine glitters first on certain areas, and then I'm going to go in with that chunky glitter. And I want to kind of make sure that I have this sprayed on my lid nicely and that it's not looking a hot mess, you know. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my bottom lash line colors. I think we're going to stick with the blue. Let's stick with the blue. Let's pop her at the bottom. I didn't add any like primer or nothing at the bottom. I'm just using my concealer for pigmentation wise. The inner part, I'm going to take that same glitter glue. Just pop very little of it. Oh, that went too much. I'm just going to go in with that same shade that's already in my inner part. I'm just bringing it down more. Y'all ever wonder why I always put like glue inside my inner tear duct for a reason? For one, it makes whatever pigment, eyeshadow, whatever, it makes it more vibrant. It gives it something extra sticky to stick on. Like my eyes tend to like water a lot right here. So this makes the eyeshadow, whatever I put on, last longer right there. So that's why I'm always doing this trick. So if you ever have that problem to where you can't get your eyeshadows to stick right here in the inner part, just add some glitter glue or lash glue and you will be fine. I promise you, you'll be fine, boo. So let me pop on some lashes and then powder my face, and then we're gonna do a lip, which is going to be a nude lip. I already know. Alright, so I have my face on. I'm trying to matte out this blush. I gotta look overboard with the blush, but I just went in with my Hank & Henry palette, and I went in with this really pretty like matte red. And I know the camera's trying to wash the colors out, but it's a true red, as you can see on my cheeks. I was gonna do pink, but I was like, nah, let me not do that. But now I kind of wish I kind of did. But we're gonna do something different with my lips. I know I've been doing like typical neutral lips for majority of my looks, so I'm gonna try this again because I tried this last time with my colorful theme and it didn't work. So I know purples, I know pinks look really good against blue. So y'all see this? Yeah, purple lip. Let's give it a try. So I'm gonna go in with this Live Glam lipstick. This is in the shade Berry. So I'm gonna transition this into a purple lip, but it's gonna be like a purple nude lip. Oh my gosh, this lipstick is dried out. Is it? No, this would have been a pretty color. No. All right, I have two backups. I'm gonna try this BH Cosmetic one. This is a liquid one. Looks like this. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's give it a try. This is like really super duper dry on the lips though. And most definitely gonna gloss this up with my lip plumper, and this is gonna help the blending go a little smoother. And this lipstick is dry, y'all. It is dry. I want to like it. I really do. It's not quite there yet. I'm going to pop on this nude lipstick. Alright, I think I am okay with this. I'm going to add a little bit more. It's getting there. It's almost getting there. Add a little more right here. Alright, so this completes the look. Y'all should be very proud of me because I did a colored lip. What? Yeah. But I like how it is color coordinating with everything. So of course, if this is not your forte, you can definitely do a neutral lip if you're following along with the steps for today's look. Pair with a neutral lip. I think this will also look good with a red lip, depending on how bold you are. This is already bold enough, and I went with a bold lip on top of that, but I made it a little bit soft though, I think, in my opinion. So that little splash of nude definitely made this lipstick, thank you, wearable. Made it definitely wearable. So I make sure I have everything listed down at the bottom if I forgot to mention everything. As for my highlighter, I do be forgetting to list everything in my description box, so let me show you guys what I use first. I'm just using this gold highlighter from the Juvia's palette. This is like my favorite highlighter. She needs to make this by itself. I see she got the dual blushes. I'm just waiting for the individual press highlighters. So I know she got loose ones, but I want that in the press. Like seriously, that is just so pretty. But I'm happy for today's look. It's so cute. Okay, so let me show you guys the outfit. It's a quick, simple bodycon dress. There you go. She looks cute. Everything is color coordinated, looking good. Okay, yes. Okay, shimmer shimmer. That is everything. I hope you guys like. I hope you guys enjoy. You guys, I'm excited for blue theme. I am. This is like the peep of the blue, the peep of the blue. Yeah, make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom. Let me know how y'all feel about today's look, today's outfit. And of course, you guys have a beautiful day. So y'all stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.